Asupanda here at Asupanda Media, back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So what are we talking about today? Today I'm talking about why you need clear audio in your videos. I know you might have watched a lot of other videos and you probably already know all the reasons that you need a clear audio. Because if you are doing videos and people are not able to hear you properly, probably they are not getting your message, and probably they would not like to watch your videos, because if you're doing talking head videos like this, people should be able to hear clearly, even for that matter if you're doing vlogs as well. But then again, there can be other things that you can do if you record your audio clearly. Why? Because these days you can actually end up transcribing your video. Yes, now you can use editing software, like I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro, because yes, there might be other software which might be better than that, and Adobe might be better than those, but then again, I feel more comfortable using Adobe because I've been using it for a while. So all you can do is one click transcribe your video, and now you can actually export that transcript of your video as a text file. Now once you have that text file, you can actually use this text file, upload it to any of the chatbots, ChatGPT, Gemini, whichever you like, and you can now ask the ChatGPT or Gemini chatbot to AI chatbot to give you high engagement YouTube title suggestions, because obviously a lot of people end up spending a lot of time brainstorming on what the title should be, or thumbnail, what high engagement thumbnail they should, because why is the title and thumbnail important? As I've said many times before, that YouTube is a very powerful search engine as well, as a very big search engine as well. So people type in there to watch videos that they'd like to watch. Now your title has to resonate with what they're searching. So you need a high engagement title out there. At the same point of time, you need a great thumbnail, because it creates an impression which would entice somebody to click on your videos. You might have great content in your video, but then again, they are not watching the video yet. They will look at the thumbnail and think about watching it, right? So now you can go use the same transcript with the chatbot and probably ask it for ideas or multiple ideas of high engagement thumbnails based on the transcript of your video. Now, in case of Gemini, you can probably ask it to create a thumbnail for you as well. But at the same point of time, you can probably use these as a set of instructions in any of the generative AI options that are out there and create high engagement thumbnails. Last but not the least, you can use the same transcript to create engaging descriptions for your videos, right? So you got your high engagement title, you have a great thumbnail, you have a lovely description, and also you can probably get really highly effective SEO tags to your videos as well. So if you have a great audio, it will give you a great transcript, and if you're able to clearly mention what you wanted to mention in the video, you would have something very desirable which will make your performance of the video better. At the same point of time, it will end up saving you a lot of time. So I hope in the end, this video ends up helping you with your workflow and content creation. And if it does, and if you like any part of this video, please hit the like button. Please mention in the comment section what you think about it. And yes, one last request, that is, please subscribe if you are watching on YouTube, or follow us on Facebook. In the end, thanks for watching. Keep watching. Until next time, Oshi Kimti Dawa.